In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create smart forms in Hubspot. Smart forms let you show or hide extra fields based on what someone selects or enters. This keeps your form clean and easy to complete, while still collecting the right details from the right people. The overall idea is simple. You choose a field, then you add a rule so that another field appears only when certain criteria are met. To begin, open HubSpot and go to Marketing. From there, click Forms. This takes you to the Forms dashboard where you can manage everything in one place. Next, choose whether you want to build something new or update what you already have. Click Create Form if you are starting fresh, or click Edit on an existing form you want to improve. Either option will open the form editor. Now in the editor, click the form field you want to make smart, then click Next to move forward into the settings for that field. This is the key moment because the smart behavior is tied to a specific field and the way HubSpot will respond to it. Once you have selected the field, click plus Add Field. You are doing this to show additional fields based on answers. Think of this as adding the follow-up question that only appears when it is relevant. After you click to add the field, choose the criteria and the target field. The criteria is the condition that must be true, such as a specific option being selected. The target field is the field you want HubSpot to display when that condition is met. Take your time here and double-check that the criteria matches the exact answer choice you expect users to pick, since small mismatches can prevent the smart behavior from triggering. When everything looks correct, click Apply or Done to save that smart field rule. At this point, it is a good habit to quickly review the form flow to confirm the logic makes sense, and the added field is placed where it will feel natural to the visitor. Finally, click Update or Publish, so your changes go live. Updating saves changes to an existing live form, and publishing makes a new form available for use. That covers everything you need to know.